how to make a tea for your nervous system. These herbs are nervines, which means that they have an affinity for our nervous system. We also have an adaptogen, and the combination of 1, 2, 3, 4, or all of them are great for nourishing, restoring balance, and overall supporting our ability to exist while the world is on fire. Rose for physical relaxation, the heart, and any grief. Passion flower. This is the plant for those of you who write emails in your mind instead of sleeping. Lemon balm. You all love lemon balm, and so do I. Ashwagandha, everybody's favorite adaptogen, great for lowering cortisol levels. Chamomile, for when you're feeling fussy or have a nervous stomach. Skullcap, a tranquilizer and excellent herb for restlessness. Just fill your pitcher or mason jar with tea hot water. Allow it to steep for at least 10 minutes. You could even do this one for multiple hours. Strain it, store any leftovers in the fridge, or drink all of it. Be well.